y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a unboxing and a review of this Kenwood Food Processor. I initially was looking for a blender, but I came across this on eBay. As you can see, it has previously been opened and you can see that tapes have been broken. I like that it has so many functions. A food processor, a blender, it can chop, it can make soup and make dough. So I can't wait to get in and actually see how it looks like. Again, you can see the box itself has scratches and dents and tears. So it is not a brand new packaging. It is the original packaging, but due to shipping and having probably been sold and returned, it's not exactly a brand new package. I really don't mind tears or anything like that because after all, I'm not keeping the box, I'm keeping the actual item itself. So this is just cosmetic imperfection and I end up getting rid of the box anyway, so that's alright by me. Cutting was a bit challenging because I didn't want to ruin it as I'm showing you. So I tried to really not cause any more damage to the box. Just because I want you guys to see how it looks like. You are presented with an option to register your product for warranty and also for them to be sending you recipe ID. Manual for whatever product I buy, just so that you can know how the manufacturer wants you to care for the item or how to use the item properly, and storage, and also for safety instructions. Everything is still new and wrapped in its original packaging. Some of these items are really sharp, so even though I will unpack, I will put them back in the bag just for safety reasons. item, but it's heavily discounted and you are the first person to actually use the item. As you are unpacking things and you have children around, always remember to get rid of these things, as they carry a risk of suffocation and you just never know what kids get up to. So please do remember safety and get rid of plastic bags. little cosmetic scratches that you cannot even see, and I'm loving it. I love these patches. This took a while to get right. I have to remember how to do this again next time, especially if I'm in a hurry making food. This is the main reason I bought the food processor, I was initially looking for a blender, but on its own I was seeing prices go up to £100, £80, £60, and then I came across this food processor combo and I thought it must be a huge deal. Food processor came with. I will be sure to include the recipes that I made with it along the channel, so make sure you stay tuned. Also, these blades are quite sharp, so if you do have something like this at home, please make sure you keep it out of reach of children. The main item itself, so far I'm loving it. It's quite sturdy, has a good weight, it's very well packaged. Loving it. Let's get into it. Really pleased with this purchase. I'm loving it. The jug is a really good size. Overall, I am super happy I actually bought it, and it has surpassed my expectations, especially for a refurb item. It's good quality, but then again, I expect nothing less from Kenwood. They make really good products. I can't wait to make all the smoothies, all the cakes, all the doughs, all the chopping and cutting. I was mainly looking for a blender for smoothies, but with this food processor, I see I will be doing so much more. I am loving this. If you come across a refurb item from a quality seller, give it a chance and you will surprise yourself. So that's it for today's unboxing. I am loving it. Definitely keeping this food processor. I really like all the additional items included. The manual was very thorough, and I cannot wait to get using it and see what I come up with in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you on the next one. Thank you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. forget to hit the like and subscribe button